You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey guys, it's Alex / Beard Adventures, Melody Lane's channel, and I am here with my aunt, and it is currently
stupid o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, 4:37 a.m.
4:37 a.m.
We're all over the place.
It was a red-eye flight, guys.
Yeah.
So we're a little kooky because we haven't slept and it's 4:30 a.m. But we got this mystery box coming out, so we are here to bring you guys the images.
So this is the Child Mystics.
So this is gonna be a Star Wars mystery box, yeah.
Yeah. Star Wars.
And this one is available for United States and Canada, which is interesting because lots of times it's only U.S. So Canada also. And me and Alex, we don't know a lot about Star Wars, so you guys can come join along in the fun.
I watched Mandalorian.
He looks like Baby Yoda.
It is Baby Yoda, and he's got his little frogs. He's a hungry Grogu, so Baby Yoda's name is Grogu.
Grogu. What
Yeah.
does that say? This is the way.
This is the way.
This is the way.
You haven't seen Mandalorian. You say
have
that
not
I haven't seen so many shows. You need to watch Mandalorian.
Okay, wait. So you haven't seen Star Wars, but you've seen Mandalorian, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because
And
you like
Boba
Yoda?
Fett.
Because Yoda's cute? Is that the reason?
The Baby Yoda.
The Baby Yoda.
And
Who's
I like,
Grogu?
I like Mando. Yeah. I like Mando.
Grogu. I know that's a ship.
This one. Yeah.
No, I was actually talking about this one over here.
That's the Razor Crest.
Oh, yeah. Nope. Nothing.
I only know that because it literally comes up on the screen.
I like Grogu there in the... It looks like his rocket ship's on fire or something, but... I dig it.
I don't know what's happening there.
Oh, I like him how he's a constellation, though.
Yeah.
That's really
that
neat.
Cool.
That is cool.
I like this one too.
Yeah. Oh, that's like the elements.
Yeah.
Earth, wind, fire.
And that is Kobe.
Kobe.
So next, let's jump in.
So that one had 12 images in it.
Mini-me. I should have clicked on these beforehand.
Mini-me.
I'm gonna do that right now while that's loading. Okay.
All right.
So.
Oh, these are like Father's Day Star Wars stuff.
Oh, that's cool. Look. Oh, there's little kids inside.
Oh, that one's really cute.
Yeah.
That's Princess Leia and Luke Skywalker.
It's so
your
cute.
Chewie. You love him. I know that. You've been waiting for that. Like, you're like, I have this, like, when can I ever use it? You were just talking about this not too long ago. Like, I have a skill, like, when can I ever use that? You just had your moment, Alex. We can rule the galaxy as father and son. That's really cool.
Together we can.
Together.
Yeah.
Roar like a Wookiee. Do you know how to summon?
That's all I got.
I can't do a Wookiee. I can't.
Look, he's got his hands up like he's on a roller coaster. But he's standing.
Oh, that's got like
I like it.
Boba Fett. Oh, look at the two and the baby Wookiee.
I like it.
These are cute. There's a lot of dads out there who love Star Wars.
The little bird, what's his name? Porg.
I'm like, I don't know. Porg. I am a Jedi like my father before me. That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, so...
Finally, that Chewbacca.
Yeah.
You've done that for years, dude. You have.
This is Train Like a Rebel.
So we got 31
Jedi.
images in this.
Jedi training. I think I just said
I feel
Jedi.
like I need to make cotton these for like the Space Force. Like,
yeah.
like I could change something in there and it could be
Yeah.
Space Force strong.
I like it.
May the Force be with you.
This is like, I feel like I've seen it on different shirts. Like, not this image, but like letters doing that.
Yeah. Come to the dark side. Train you must. Her
Hero.
hero.
Hero. Her hero. Yeah.
Vader is my motivator. I do know who Darth Vader is. You have the spirit of a true Jedi.
May the Force be with you. Do or do not. There is no try. Jedi.
I like the way Yoda talks. You know how he talks like backwards? Like,
yeah.
bring presents, I must.
In third person, basically.
Find your Force. We all have the Force within us. We must channel the Force.
And then this is the last one.
Is it?
For the image?
How many did we do? We only did 2.
No. The Child Mystics, Train Like a Rebel, the Mini Me, and this is Funny Printables.
Yeah. We're just flying through them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. So, what does that say there?
Funny Printables.
It says, bring me
the hot sauce.
That's Jabba?
Jabba the Hutt.
Is it Jabba the Hutt? Okay.
Yeah.
What do we got going? That's a stormtrooper.
What's happening
What's
here?
happening? He's looking for a ride?
Oh,
like...
that's the motorcycle.
Oh,
I thought
okay.
it was a person laying down. But it's like a horsey thing that you put quarters in, it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's little steps up to it. We have no idea what's going on. Look,
I like that. It says, who invited him? Because you don't want to play basketball against him.
He's so tall.
Look at the one up above it, though. I got your back
back
with, like, Baby Yoda. That's cute. It looks like they're about to fall in a hole, though. Doesn't it look like they're jumping over a hole? Oh, that Darth...
Because he's using the Force to pick him up so he doesn't fall in it.
Oh.
He's like, I got your back.
Darth Vader with that... that's the Death Star balloon, right?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I actually really like that. People like that.
R2-D2 in love.
Oh, he's in love with the trash can. He says, hey.
I like my coffee on the dark side. I like it.
Matt would like that. My husband would like that.
Oh no, Wookiee cookie and milk? These are the best.
I can see you putting that on a shirt, Alex.
I want it.
Wookiee cookie and milk. Like, that is Alex all the way. A jar. I told you guys we're slap happy. It's 4:30 in the morning. I haven't slept. I couldn't sleep last night. Like,
Darth Vader walking in I don't know how you say it. Is it or AT-AT? It's a giant robot dog. That's all I know.
AT-AT. What does that say?
It's
We
so
there yet?
tiny to
It says
read.
we there yet. Are we there yet? Oh, he's pruning his...
Chewy? Extra chewy.
Darth Vader's over there pruning his little Death Star bonsai. What does that say?
Oversized luggage. It's
which I don't
Han
understand.
Solo
I've
or
seen.
whatever.
Oh, Han Solo. Okay, I was like, I've seen that image,
Yeah.
but I don't know what it is. What does that say?
I can't read these.
These are teeny tiny.
Mouse droid crossing.
Okay, we just say okay on that.
Yep.
We don't know.
Admiral Akbar.
Appreciation Society. Is Darth Vader playing yo-yo? What is that?
Playful Darth Vader. I think so.
Something like that. So, those are all the Star Wars images.
And then, can anybody in the comments tell us what this is?
This is a quiz. Does anybody here speak what is it?
Aurebesh.
Aurebesh. And you got any Star Wars... I don't know what they're called. Like, Star Trekkies are called Trekkies, but what are Star Wars people called?
Star Wars fans. I don't know.
So this is the font that comes with it. It's called Aurebesh.
So the top one says Alex, the bottom one says Holly. I can sort of get that for yours.
Yeah,
Not
I see
mine.
OLLL something.
The first one... Uh-oh. I forgot to space it. Or enter it. There. That says Star Wars. For anybody that can read that language.
Or if you just really want to confuse somebody.
Yes.
You can just put some Aurebesh on there for them.
So...
That's everything in the digital mystery box.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so the links will be below for that.
So make sure to get that. Because there is a lot of actually fun things in this.
Yeah, and some people are doing Star Wars weddings. That's becoming a big thing. I see several people.
My cousin got a Star Wars wedding.
Did
years
they?
Ago, yeah.
It's actually really cool. I've seen some cool ones.
Yeah.
The lightsabers and
Yeah,
everything.
we had lightsabers when we walked out.
So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us. We're going to try to get some sleep now because we have lots of stuff to do. We have to be up. But thanks for joining us. We're all slap happy. But
Toodles!
bye, guys.